Environmental groups welcomed the Supreme Court's move to issue a writ of kalikasan which seeks to halt the construction of the Davao-Samal Connector Bridge. Here is a report.
Some residents of Samal Island and Davao City are concerned about the possible suspension of the Davao-Samal Connector Bridge, saying the project significantly eases sea travel. Travel time is reduced to just 5 minutes compared to the 30-minute ferry ride.
Mas madali kasi siya pag may bridge, unlike this time, no, nag-aantay pa kami ng barge na darating.
The Supreme Court has issued a writ of kalikasan seeking to halt the construction. This comes after a petition by environmental advocates claiming the project harms the environment. The Department of Public Works and Highways, along with other involved agencies and private firms, has been given 10 days to respond.
So far sa ngayon, wala pa tayo, hindi pa natin natatanggap yung writ. So long as wala pang order coming from the court for us to suspend our operations, then we will continue with the project.
Environmental groups welcome the Supreme Court's move. Bridge is part of the Duterte administration's Build, Build, Build initiative, which broke ground in 2022.
Depende na yan, no, kung ano ang desisyon ng Supreme Court, pero sana ay makita ng lahat, hindi lang ng ating mga huwes, kundi ng buong komunidad na napakalaki ng tulong na ang Davao-Samal Bridge sa ekonomiya ng Davao City at ng Samal City.
The project is currently 38 complete and is expected to finish by 2027. The government has allocated 23 billion pesos for its completion. For News 5, I'm Bril Montalvo. We are One News.